So this is a bowl blank that I won from Epop's wood turning studio, and I finished it up to 800 this time, and I'm using Howard's Feed and Wax, which is kind of like a broken record for me because that's my typical what I use. At the beginning of this video, you saw Epop turn this into a circle for me to save me a little bit. After he auctioned off the bowl blank, he cut it up and put it back together again. So it makes for some very interesting angles and made for a lot of cussing. Some of the softer woods, especially the lighter colored oak, I think it's oak, probably oak, mahogany, maybe some walnut. I'm not sure what all is in here. Epop can tell us. The lighter colored wood was grabby. Now all I have is a carbide cutter. I don't have any bowl turning tools, so I use the carbide cutter, and that's probably part of the problem. But I ended up finished the inside with the scraper that I have, just because I could not even get close to it with the carbide cutter after a point. It just started getting all grabby on me. And I didn't want that to happen because I was close to the edge and I didn't want to break this. Again, another really good glue up job. If he doesn't make it in the trophy business, he can probably start gluing up blanks and selling them, because these are pretty good. I had some tear out I had to fill in with super glue, but it had nothing to do with the way the bowl was put together. It had to do with just me having to use the carbide cutter and having that for my only option. I've got a little nick right there. And I sanded on this for 7 hours. Outside wasn't too bad. Outside had a little tear out, but as you know, that comes out easily. Look at this chatoyance and this weird grain in here. It's in here too. That's kind of cool. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, you can see it. And but on the inside, it just took a lot of sanding because there was no way I was going to get it any smoother, even using my scraper. It was a little grabby and wasn't getting rid of all the tear out. It was even causing little. So I gave it up, pulled out some 80 grit sandpaper and went to town on it. If you don't subscribe to Epop, please do. There'll be a link several times during the video to show you where he's at. We're both here in San Antonio, along with Billy Burt, who is the Messy Studio. And there's probably more, but those are the three of us that I know about. But the only thing I've got left to do is turn this around and remove the tenon. And that'll be the next step after this soaks in a little bit and I buff it out a little bit. Finish removing that on the sander. Touch this up with the sander as well, and post some pictures when we're done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, tell all your friends. Thank you.